Assessment Center at Nissan Stadium did its last COVID test this afternoon. Officials say the declining vaccination rates in Davidson County led to this day. News 4's Tosin Fakile talked to Metro's COVID task force leader, looking back on the site's run and where Nashville's COVID cases stand right now.
Nashville's COVID-19 case numbers are much lower than they used to be. And after a 16-month run, the COVID-19 Assessment Center at Nissan Stadium has come to an end.
I remember coming to this site when it was just a parking lot and having a hard time visualizing what it would be like.
And about 153,000 COVID-19 tests later, the site is closed. Dr. Alex Jahangir says the assessment centers were critical earlier on in the pandemic for access to testing.
So many people came together from different organizations, state, city, nonprofit, to get these things up so quickly.
Devin Graham with Meharry, who's worked at the site since it opened, calls the closing progress.
It feels very promising that we are on our way out and we may be able to really move past this. Not finished, it's a marathon, not a sprint.
And as the tents at the testing site come down, Nashville is seeing COVID-19 numbers go up slightly.
We literally went from 500 active cases the 4th of July to 800 now. So as a percentage, that's a big percentage, but that's nowhere near the 7,000 active cases we had in January and so forth.
Vanderbilt Medical Center says right now they currently have 20 total COVID-19 patients. 4 inpatients are in the ICU. And as several cities across the country see rising COVID numbers and some restoring mask mandates, we asked if mask requirements would make a comeback in Nashville.
We've had no conversations like that, mainly because, again, we're at a very stable place here in Nashville with cases being around 5 or 6 per 100,000. We don't have to be negatively impacted by a Delta variant. Everyone gets vaccinated, right? Part of the reason we're only seeing 120 people get tested a day now is 51% of the city's been vaccinated, which is a good number. We can do a lot better, though.
You could still get a COVID-19 test or a vaccine at the old Kmart location on Murfreesboro Road. For the time and hours, you can visit our website, WSMV.com. For News 4 Nashville, I'm Tosin Fakile.